Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the low LAN, that means low PAN protocol. In the last video lecture series, I have been explained about the internet connectivity, basic internet features, and internet based protocol. Version 4 and version 6. Now in this topic I'm going to explain about the 6 low PAN protocol. Where the features of 6LoWPAN protocol are, it consists of it is an IETF recommended methods which is mainly used for the reassembly of the fragments, whereas internet protocol version 6 and the user datagram protocol is being used here, which mainly uses the headers compression, where this 6LoWPAN uses HD adaptation layer. Then the neighbor discovery, and it also supports the mesh routing, where 6LoWPAN uses HD adaptation layer and the adaptation layer for the further process. Then where we are using the data stack here, it uses 6LoWPAN protocol at the adaptation layer, where the adaptation in this adaptation layer, the data stack transmits to the internet protocol version 6 in the internet layer. Then the nodes having low speed and the low power. For example, we can consider the wireless personal area network here, where personal area network is nothing but here the nodes will be in the nearby areas, where it is mainly used for the low speed and the low power. Then here IEEE 802.15.4 standard network nodes are used here, where it mainly consists of one header, security and application data in a single frame. Then here the total device node frame size is equal to 127B. Then IP version, that is internet protocol version 6 header is consists of 40 bytes, and the user datagram protocol header consists of an 8 bytes. This is the difference between the header which is used in the user datagram protocol and the internet protocol. These is the physical where this is nothing but the 6LoWPAN protocols adaptation layer, where it consists of various devices from starting device 1 to device n in the source end. In the destination end, we are using here the internet protocol version 6, which is mainly used for the transferring of bytes from and for the network and the transport layers. Then the maximum, the 10s of bytes of data is being started at the source end. Then the maximum of 33 bytes of data at single data transfer is used at the receiver end. Then the IEEE 802.15.4 device node frame consists of 127 bytes. Here it uses internet protocol version 6, user datagram header, then IEEE 802.15.4 device, then the security, then MAC header and the app data, and finally fragmentation is done, where the data is being fragmented into small bytes of data, and then it is being transferred, reassembly. Finally the fragmented data is being reassembled in this part. Then the device node, that is it consists of a media access control which is 25 bytes, then AES, authenticated encryption security, where this security consists of a 21 bytes of data, remaining it consists of an application data. Then here it is nothing but internet protocol version 6 MTU at the data link layer. Here 1280 bytes of fragments into frame of 127 bytes of data is being used for the single transfer to the device node. The maximum transmission unit of Internet Protocol version 6 is used here, where the link layer consists of 1280 bytes of data, and the link layer frame fragmentation needed is used in order to communicate the various frames of data into the IEEE 802.15.4 nodes of the device. This is nothing but the maximum transmission unit here. Then the frame MQ, it consists of a transmission of data from 1000 to 2080 bytes to the network layer. Then the fragments from frames to the device of 128 bytes is being reassembled into the Internet Protocol version 6 frame. Likewise, here the 6 low power personal area network is used to transfer the data from one place to the another place. Thank you.